Hello guys, welcome on control panel overview video in AEG Washing Machine 6000 series. So this button is for a turning on and off. This button is for a soft plus function. This one is for a hygienic. By this button you can manage the temperature, and this is a spin level. By these buttons you can manage the washing phase indicator. There we have a delay and the time saving mode. This one, it's the plus indicators appears when the soft plus option is activated. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.